Welcome back to my channel. This is UC Empire. So guys, today I am going to be showing you the easiest way to peel green plantains. You know, plantains may look so easy to peel, but trust me, they are not always as easy as they look. So we are starting off by cutting the both ends of the plantain. Cut through the lines of the plantain. And gently pull off the skin. Let's go over it again. Cut the ends of the plantain. Cut through the lines as shown. And pull off the skin. There you have it, guys. This is the easiest way to peel your green plantains. Do you know that plantain peels can be used for many other things in the kitchen? I bet you do not know this. Please do not go too far because I will be uploading one of the things that you can actually use your plantain peels for in your kitchen. And guys, I have a video on how to make plantain flour and also a video on how to wash off plantain stems easily from your palms. Please kindly go and watch the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe.